Hello, I am Vishnu and I got 99.99 percentile in JEE Mains Session 1 and I am Karnataka state topper. When I first shared this result with my family, they were very excited. I was not always a studious person, but I was creative and had innovative ideas, and when I joined Narayana, I became more studious and hardworking. Narayana has a unique approach. They conduct mock tests every week. These help us to analyze our mistakes and improve our weak concepts, and the teachers also readily clarify our doubts. NLearn is a very good app. There are a lot of resources and videos from where you can learn various concepts, and it also helps you to analyze your mistakes and do previous year papers. I just used the Narayana modules and the teacher's notes. I did not use any different modules. There are days where you feel demotivated and don't want to go ahead, but I kept in mind my long-term goal and the hard work I have put in all these days, which motivated me to go forward. Be calm, focus on learning the concept, and if you have done good work, you will definitely get the result. Thank you, Narayana.